Hi, hello. I am going to show you how to solve the equation 3x squared minus x equals -1. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is get everything on one side of the equation. So you're gonna add 1 to both sides. There's +1, +1, which gives you 3x squared minus x plus 1. Okay, so first I tried, equals 0. First I tried doing the 0 product factory and trying to factor it, but I couldn't really come up with it. So I couldn't really do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the quadratic equation, quadratic formula. So this is our A, 3 is A. I'm going to write a 1 there, it's implied, but I'm going to write it there for B. -1 is our B, and then 1 is C. So the quadratic equation is, make this a little more in the light so it's not so shadowy. Our quadratic equation is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now we're going to substitute the numbers. So x equals, so -1 is just 1, and then plus or minus the square root of -1 squared minus 4 times on our A, remember, is 3. 3 times NRC is 1 times 1 over 2 times, and remember our A is 3 again. So we're gonna work this out. So x equals 1 plus or minus, okay, so -1 squared is just 1, minus, so 4 times 3 is 12, and times 1 is still 12. And then 2 times 3 is 6, okay, and then 1 minus 12 is -11. So we're going to do x equals 1 plus or minus the square root of -11 over 6. And I believe we can't simplify that further. So that is our answer. Well, I guess you could say imaginary. You could put an I in there, so it's imaginary. Okay, there's our answer.